Hi, everybody. This is Mr. Stone from the World History team here at Helix. And today we want to share with you how to access the textbook online. So, the first thing you're going to do is when you are in Google, you will go over to where you can find the Google Waffle. And when you click on the Google Waffle, scroll down in the applications until you find the application titled Savvas Easy Bridge and open up that particular application. Once the item opens, you'll see that there are several ways to access the textbook. We're going to show you the easiest way and the most consistent. So on this screen right here, you'll see that there are various things to look at, but you're going to click on the World History Interactive Modern Era. And by double clicking that particular link, it will take you to this section, which will hopefully show your various classes right here and different assignments. We're going to skip that for today and go over to the right, and you'll see what looks like the cover of the actual physical textbook. Go ahead and double click on that as well. And you'll come to this screen that has all different buttons and a table of contents. For now, we're going to leave that alone as well and go up toward the top to where it says e-text. When you click on that once, you'll find a pull-down menu, and you want to go down to the lowest one that says eText World History Interactive, the Modern Era Student Edition. And by clicking on that item, it will now take you over to an area that has what looks like the textbook and a hamburger, which is right up here. And by clicking that hamburger in the upper left, you'll open up the table of contents, the notebook, and glossary possibilities. Let's go ahead and examine the table of contents by clicking on that. And once we click on it, we're going to actually work with the first unit that we have a use for in the textbook, which is topic 4, the Industrial Revolution. Typically, things would be by chapter. This textbook separates them by what they call topics. So if I click on that and I click on the arrow, I'm going to scroll down to where it says Lesson 1, the Industrial Revolution begins. And this will open the electronic textbook. And the first thing we're going to share with you is the simple glossary down here for the key terms. And by clicking on a key term like the Industrial Revolution, it will open up the definition. And you can see that it's right there. Then you click on it, you close it back. How do I get to the next page? By clicking on the lower right corner, the next button. And that will open up the actual textbook as well to the next page. And one of the first things I want to share with you is this feature at the top, which looks like a sound bar and has a play button. And when you click on it, it will actually read the textbook to you. So I'm going to play a little bit of that right now.
New ways of working change life. Like the Enlightenment, which occurred around the same time, the Industrial Revolution was partly an outgrowth of the scientific revolution of the 1600s and 1700s.
And you'll find that for each and every page. But another feature I want to share with you is a translation, both audible and visual. So by clicking on a section of text right here and then releasing, it will open up this box. And if I want to change the language by clicking on settings, you can open up and see that there are a whole bunch of different languages. For our purpose today, we're going to use Swedish just because we thought it was interesting. And then I'm going to hit save at the very bottom. And that saves the language that I want the textbook to translate. So now if I highlight that exact same section and I release it and I hit translate now in the center, it will show me a translated version of the book, but I can also play it by clicking on the little play button in the upper left here.
Ett lantligt levnadssätt år 1750 brukade de flesta människor jorden med handgjorda verktyg.
So that's kind of a cool feature as well. Now there's one other feature that we do want to share with you, and I'm going to go back to the section that has the hamburger here, and it's called the glossary. And the glossary is a dictionary for the textbook. And you can find all manner of things either by scrolling down, they're in alphabetical order, or by using the list here on the left. So I'm going to click on the I again here, the capital I, and scroll down to the Industrial Revolution. And you'll see that the definitions are there as well. So this way you can access definitions in the glossary at any time. Anyway, that's just a little bit of a brief introduction on the textbook. And stay tuned, we'll have some more videos to follow as we get deeper into the textbook throughout the course. Thank you very much.